All right, what we're looking at here is the CoCo 3 emulator. I'm running it using VCC. And when I posted my announcement for the VecDraw program, someone commented if I can make it work with the CoCo 3. At the time, I didn't know much about it, but like today, I decided to download the emulator and check it out. And as it turns out, CoCo 3 has a very powerful basic interpreter, and it does support the draw command. There's two versions of it, draw and hdraw, and it's compatible with GW's basics version of draw. And it would make sense because both these interpreters were written by Microsoft, so they probably use the same technology. And let me just show you how well it works. I was actually surprised by all this. So let me bring up VecDraw just to let's let's just print out CoCo 3, and we're going to go to text. And I already tried this before, but I'm going to show you what I discovered. So let's just paste it here, and here, let me change the color to white so you can see how it looks. But I'm going to change it back to blue because that's the color one on the CoCo 3, so it works a little better. And what we're going to do is hit export, and we're going to choose GW Basic just because it's similar. It puts line numbers for us, and there we go. It's in the clipboard now. I'm just going to use Notepad temporarily to cut and paste code here. So let's get rid of this old code. And here's the new code. I'm going to get rid of this. This was from before. And let's just copy this. And I'll show you what you have to do exactly because it does require just a couple of little modifications here. And we're going to remove this S4. It's not needed. And instead of draw, we're going to change it to hdraw because we're in a high resolution screen. And I'm going to basically copy this. And the emulator allows you to copy and paste code. So let's go back into the emulator. And if we go to edit, we can paste basic code with new. So let's do that. And what I was worried about before was that thinking the lines generated by VecDraw would be too long. And nope, CoCo 3 Basic just handles the line length just perfectly fine. So, there's no problem there. That's not one of the things I have to deal with. But you have to see this. It's kind of impressive. So I'm just going to hit run now. And there we go, CoCo 3. I know to a lot of people that might not seem like magic, but to me, this is a really old computer. And the fact that it looks so good, I'm really impressed by this. So let me just minimize this a bit. And let me change the color back here. So you can see it looks pretty much the same. So you could design whatever you want. You could bring in SVG clipboard. You could use other fonts, and it's that simple to basically cut and paste. I'll make this a little easier in the future with a with a proper loader. So you just simply go to the menu here and click your version of Basic, and it'll create the whole loader and image, and you just paste it into the emulator or a real computer. So thanks for watching.